forecast.
All right, Ariel is in Connecticut. That is a place that is used to dealing with winter weather, right? Not the case for many places in the south, which are getting hit with some snow and bitterly cold temperatures this morning. You can just see where the cold air is taking over. Bismarck, North Dakota, which didn't even hit zero yesterday, still at -21 for their current temperature. And as you head south, even Little Rock is at 15 degrees, Oklahoma City at 7. So let's take a look at that storm. Here it is right here. You can see it just kind of stretching from Texas up to Maine, like we just talked about. And it's not so much even the snow necessarily that is the big worry here. It's the temperatures as well. When you put those two things together, we're talking maybe 1 to 3 inches of accumulation from Texas up to parts of Tennessee. But all the purple you see here, those are hard freeze warnings and watches. So you combine a little bit of snow with these frigid temperatures, especially in places that just aren't used to dealing with it. Things get tricky really quickly. In fact, some kids in Georgia seeing their very first snow day ever today. So kind of some unprecedented weather for some folks out there. Here a little closer to home, we're seeing some very light clouds drifting through, but a mostly clear start to our day. But here's what's on the horizon for us. We're seeing some showers now just kind of filling into eastern Oregon, turning over to a little bit of a rain snow mix in some of the higher elevations here in eastern Oregon. Now most of that precipitation will kind of start tapering off as it bumps into our ridge of high pressure that we still have over the Treasure Valley, but still some showers are possible for us during the day today and a little more cloud cover than we've seen. Then here comes this next system, this one much more potent for later in the week. So today, not a lot of rain, not a lot of snow in the mountains either, just some clouds coming in. Here's 9 o'clock this morning. We may see a couple of quick moving spotty showers. Things will get a little dicey in eastern Oregon though. We're talking the possibility of some freezing rain. So just be careful if you're headed along the I-84 corridor that direction today. Here's about 1 o'clock this afternoon. We'll see some light mountain snow fly very briefly. We'll see a couple of showers sweep through briefly around the Treasure Valley. And then after that through tomorrow, just a mix of sun and clouds and much warmer temperatures. Ahead of that next system coming in for Thursday, we'll have that warm air coming in from the south. So we're talking return of the 50s for Wednesday and Thursday, but then we get wet again for the end of the work week. So better chance of showers for the west end of the valley. Look at these temperatures though, still in the low to mid 40s today, getting a little breezy as well. By the time you hit Boise and Mountain Home and then east into the Magic Valley, things will get windy. So that'll make it feel colder, of course. 40 for Idaho City, so a mix of rain and snow for many of our mountain locations. 35 degrees for McCall. Those snow levels stay pretty high today, and in fact for the next several days snow levels are about 6,500 feet or so. 33 for Stanley today, 40 in Sun Valley, just partly cloudy skies there. The east central mountains may not see any precipitation, slim chance of a couple of flurries maybe later this afternoon. Mid 40s for the Magic Valley. Yes, that sounds nice, but you factor in some wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Not going to feel all that nice. It'll be kind of a chilly day for the Twin Falls area. Much milder tomorrow and Thursday. Look at that high on Thursday, 54 degrees, but it comes with some rain showers in the afternoon. Then things cool down and we get wet again over the coming weekend.